Welcome. If you want to use AdBlock on your OPPO Reno 3, for the first go to the Google Play Store, click on the search, right here type Opera, click on the Opera Mini, get this application, tap on the install and just wait a little bit. Okay, right now we can open. Tap on the continue, enter the address, so mine will be the address of our website, the HardReset.Info, and when you enter the site where are the ads, you will see the notification that the ads were blocked, and this is thanks to the partnership with AdBlock Plus. So right here you cannot find any ads. Thank you guys for watching, leave thumbs ups, comments and subscribe to our channel.